Hey sis, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene and I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. We had a cool weekend over here. We were chill and I love that for us. I had to get on camera today. I just added a Wishlist bag to my handbag collection. Mind you, I am in the middle of a project. I don't even have on nail polish today, okay? Because I'm dealing with acetone, paint, all these things. But I was like, if I don't get this video out today, the entire day is going to go past me. So I'm here. And then after this video, I have to go cook. I'm gonna be busy. So I had to get this video out like right now. Okay, let me calm down so I could tell you what's going on. So last week, I put up a poll on the community board talking about a red bag. It was between the Marc Jacobs tote bag. I don't remember what shade of red, but they're all beautiful reds, okay? It might have been a cherry red. There was an MCM Liz tote in candy red, and then there was a Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchel in just red. And I was like, which one should I get, y'all? Because I'm really feeling the color red right now, and those are like my top three. Well, the MCM kind of just snuck in there at the last minute because Nordstrom Rack has it on sale for an insane price, and I was like, is that my vibe? Am I willing to go there? Marc Jacobs it caught my eye the minute it came out a few years ago, but before that, Dooney and Bourke had my full attention. So let me share the wish list bag that I received as a gift, because number one, yes, it was Valentine's Day weekend and all that, but it's also birthday month over here for me, and I don't celebrate my birthday just one day in February. I celebrate the whole month. Hubby gifted me this bag. Mind you, before I even show you the bag, the struggle for me was not asking him if he got the bag on sale, because you know how I feel about my sale, right? Anyway, when my homegirls was like, girl, let that man spoil you. So I was just like, okay. And I just said, thank you. And I meant every single word. But the cheapskate in me was like, oh, whoops, I'm never pay a full price. But I can't tell that man what to do with his money. Let's get into the gift, girl. Now, of course, it was all in a box, but I did not want all those things in my closet. I don't like it when it get too junky in here. Let me show you how gorgeous this bag is. When I tell you, I've never seen this color in real life, only on screen. Y'all, look at this. Oh my God, today. You see this? Do you see how pretty this red is? I kid you not. I think it's as red as my nail polish. Hold on, let me see if I can get the nail polish. Look at that. This is the regular size Florentine satchel, and I have a large. My large is in natural. I have a micro, which is in brown Timoro, and now I have this gorgeous red, and this is, I forget what number out of what it's supposed to be. Hold on, because I know that matters to some people. This is number 6 out of 25. Number 6 out of 25. And let me tell you something, I'm not even going to unwrap it yet and do all of these things to it yet. You know why? Because I am not ready to wear this bag without accessories. I'm tempted to put my Coach Strawberry Charm on here, but this is the kind of bag she needs some new charms. So yeah, she needs some new charms. Like, this is a wish list bag. When I tell you, when I open the bag, it's hard for me to gather my thoughts right now. When I opened it and just put my hand in, I said, oh, this is the perfect size to get in and out of the bag, in and out of the bag, in and out of the bag. Of course, it has feet. And look at this stitching. Look at this. One of the reasons why I really do love the Florentine satchel line from Dooney and Bourke is because they don't have that metal plate that's right here. I am not really a fan of that metal plate. I only have two pieces in my collection that have the metal plate, and I'm okay with it. One is a crossbody wallet on chain. I think it's called the Daphne wallet. It's super old, but I really love that bag. It's such a nice crossbody. And then I have another bag from the Maritime collection. The colorway of that is just stunning. Do I need to show you? Geez, let me show you the colorway real quick. Before I do that, let me put this back because I have two more bags that I want to show you guys. But yes, girl, Wishlist bag secured. Here we go. This is from the Maritime collection, and I love how they did the plate. Maybe because the plate has a little bit of the vachetta around it, and it has a little bit of the red on it, the same trim as the hardware, but it just looks so good. This looks good to me when I look at it. So I'm like, yeah, I like it. I actually love it. Okay, so this next Dooney and Bourke bag, I was checking this bag out for more than a year. It caught my eye because it reminds me of a Louis Vuitton bag, but every time I would see this Louis Vuitton bag, I was like, you know, I get why people like it, but then I'm not that much of a fan, not in that size, and it's just something that I don't like about that bag. But this one right here, when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I will definitely add it to my collection, but I'm waiting for it to go on sale. So, quick story, I was in Dillard's minding my business, and they had a markdown, 40%, well, 25%, 40%, 65%. I found this bag in the 40% section, and something told me, it must have been the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit was like, girl, go find out about that bag. I was like, got it, Lord. I was like, excuse me, can you please verify the price of this bag? Girl, when she verified the price of the bag, it was 65% off. I said, thank you very much. I took it right up to the counter and checked out. Ooh, yes, look at this. Oh, thank goodness I did not take the tag off. Do you see that? This is the Florentine domed satchel. This bag was originally $408. It was marked down to $244, but by time they had the discounts at Dillard's, I paid $140 something for this bag. You know I was not about to leave it, right? Okay, this is more my style or size for this silhouette of a bag. What I noticed about the Alma, the top is wider than I would like it to be, and that just throws the shape off to me. You know, maybe I need a PM, but we don't know yet. I don't know if I want to invest in an Alma bag. But in the meantime, I do not mind investing in the Florentine because we already know the Florentine bags are stunning. Now, I will tell you this, because you know I'm not afraid to like do something to a bag. I condition my bag. You do not have to agree with me, and that's okay. Okay, but this bag had some scratches on it, and that's okay with Florentine, but it had a little bit too much. And so I used some leather CPR, and I conditioned this bag, and it has been sitting in my closet for maybe about a week or so. And of course, it has darkened compared to like some of my other Florentine pieces. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a whole Florentine collection, because I think I'm getting a little bit out of control with the Florentine, but I love them. But I love this. It is so easy. And then the brass hardware, it's this bag. It comes with a crossbody strap, and once I style it up, I will let you know how that looks. Zipper pocket in the back, nice zipper. I don't see myself using this. Like, there's no need. I'm not carrying that many things where I have to put things in the bag zipper pocket. But yes, the whip stitch on the handle. I mean, this bag is so pretty and the size is ideal. Let me show you how big this bag is in comparison to the micro Florentine satchel. Hold on. Let's see. This is the comparison in size. This is a micro Florentine satchel, and this is a domed Florentine satchel. My goodness. Dooney. I see why Dooney is really trending now on TikTok. I don't have TikTok, but I've heard, you know, and I just hope that Dooney does not raise the price, because now some people are falling in love with the brand. Dooney, please don't raise your price. Like, we love it here. Keep it affordable, please. Okay, last bag, and then I have to wrap this up because I have to go cook. Okay, so this bag, I showed it to you a few videos back, and it was a project bag. I changed it again, y'all. I changed it again. Why? Because I felt like it. Okay, and I'm really feeling this iteration of it, of course. But it is a project bag. That is the purpose, to get all of my creativity out when I'm bored at home and I feel like working on something. If I don't have a new bag in stock to work with, I'm doing something to this bag. So let me show you. Of course, this is the same old Speedy 30 that I got for $157 from DCT Vintage. I am not affiliated with them at all. I don't get any perks for recommending them. They're just dope to shop with. Okay, so I blacked out the sides of my Speedy. I am not done. I had to run to the craft store and get some paint brushes because I have to do the trim. I love this. I don't know why I didn't think of this at first. Maybe because back then I just wanted some color on the bag, and I was like, oh, that's so pretty, I'm gonna put color on the bag. But after blacking it out today, I call it the smoke out. After I smoked this bag out, I was like, you know what? If I get an Alma, don't judge me, I'm gonna have to smoke that Alma out as well. Maybe I'm not feeling the Alma bag because of the Vachetta, you know, but I shop vintage, so I will get one that I can smoke out and maybe then I'll rock it. But let's see, I haven't made up my mind about the Alma yet. But one thing is for certain, I love the smoke out effect. And the little razzle dazzle right here, and the whips, come on. I'm tempted to call this whip stitching, but Dooney didn't do it, I did. So the enhancement of the handles right here and the relocation of the zipper. And then this bag is, it's just a pillow in here, but it's open because the zipper is removed. She's a vibe. Let me take this out. I also ordered an organizer insert from Amazon from this brand, Lexion. I have a few of their inserts right now, and I really do like them. They're nice and thick. And for someone who is not like into pink like that, dress up your purse. Change my mind with this colorway that they have that is similar to this, called Brilliant Pink. Oh, hold up. We're gonna have to do something real quick. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. But I added this organizer to cart before I blacked out the sides of the bag, and now there's no going back. Okay, there's just no going back because I'm just gonna have to make it work. But let me show you what I'm going to pair this with, and I'm not even done, y'all, but we're talking, so give me a second. Okay, so this is what I'm going to pair my Speedy with when I'm all done. See the interior? Okay. I do have some SLGs from Dress Up Your Purse, and it's going to look so pretty with that. I have LV wallet. I believe this is the Victorine wallet. Is it? I don't know, y'all. But I love this pink interior, and I think it looks really pretty with this. So it will definitely look good with the bag. You see Vivienne skiing like she on her little snow. Go girl. So definitely gonna rock this SLG with this bag. And the bag that started it all for me with this smoke out look. I did this piece in 2024 with my vintage pochette accessoire, and the vaquetta was looking tired. It was like, So I dyed it black. And ever since I did that, I was like, oh, I love this look. So it was only a matter of time before I did this one too. Okay, so yeah, this is the bag I'm working on. This is the bag that inspired it. This is going to be the colorway that's going to bring this bag to life. And this is as pink as I'm going to go right now on certain bags. Okay, using the accessories. That is today's video, guys. I'm not going to put this stuff all back right now. I'll do it in a little while. But I got my first wish list bag of 2026. And I cannot wait to find the perfect charms to rock with my Florentine satchel. I've wanted that color red for so long. Oh my gosh. And you know, and I'm still thinking about the nano, but once I put my hands in that bag, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I don't have to struggle with it, because the micro, although the micro is really nice, this size, the regular size, and the large, of course the large, they're just so easy to get into. But the micro looks amazing crossbody. But I know that regular one is gonna look gorgeous as a shoulder carry, as a crook of the arm carry, as a top handle. Hubby did well. Babe, if you see this video, thank you very much. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I got my first wish list bag of 2026. I am very happy. Now we're doing a countdown to the powder pink collection. I still don't know if I'm gonna get anything. I'm just being for real, okay? But in the meantime, I would love to hear what you think about this little collection that I have going, this little smoked out LV collection. And if you have an Alma, let me know what size Alma you would recommend that I try, okay? Or do you like the Dooney and Bourke Alma more? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go and cook my family a delicious meal. Curry chicken, white rice, steamed vegetable, plantain, and some lemonade. A beverage. I might even bake a cake. But you know, no, I could bake a cake tomorrow. You know, because I have to work on this bag. I have to do the piping. Yes. And you know, I'm thinking about adding a D-ring somewhere, but I don't know yet. I don't want to get ahead of myself. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you have a blessed week. I hope that you're having a great day. And if nobody else tells you this today, sis, let me be the first to tell you that you are loved, you are blessed, you are beautiful. You were created by God to do some amazing things. And in 2026, I hope you challenge yourself to get those things done or start doing them. It's in you, girl. You could do it. God loves you. Okay? He really does. Aren't we here today? I love you. Okay? I pray for y'all. Please anoint them and keep them safe. Give them a healthy mind, body, and spirit. I just hope that you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go cook for my family.